Hey, what's up, guys? So Mother's Day is here, right?
Yeah.
You have to be more excited than that, Cree. We love to craft, right, for Mother's Day? Because it just makes the gifts more personal, should I say. And what are we gonna do today, Cree?
We are gonna draw on mugs, and I'm gonna do whatever I want.
And you're gonna do whatever you want, okay? And then I'm gonna do whatever I want too, right? So what we're gonna do is Cree is gonna make a mug for me, right, for Mother's Day? And then I'm gonna make a mug for my mother. What I love about this project is not only is it a keepsake, it's functional, right, Cree?
Yeah.
You can put some tea in here, you can put some coffee in here. Not only that, you can, what? You can plant some of your favorite herbs in. And what does this say?
Best mom ever.
Yes! Also, what we can do is we can use these mugs for storage. You can store your scissors in there, your pencils, your markers, whatever. All right, so you ready to have some fun?
Yes.
Okay, so what are you gonna do? Oh, those are your spirals? Okay, so I'm making this for Grandma, my mom, and
This is gonna be for you.
that's for me, yes. You said I'm the best mom ever? What makes me the best mom? Why do you think I'm the best mom ever?
'Cause you take me places.
Aw, like where do I take you?
The Universals with my cousin Aiden.
Oh yes, we went to an amusement park. So you absolutely loved that. And then I take you to your favorite restaurants, right?
Yeah.
And then we have like cute little dates together, right? You're like my date.
But Daddy's a big old day.
Yeah. And Daddy's my bigger date, yes. So Cree, are you excited about your new sister?
Yes.
You're gonna have to change your diaper.
Not all the time.
Now, are you fine with changing your diaper?
No.
No, you don't want to change your diaper?
No.
Why?
I just want Daddy and just Daddy.
Just Daddy? Okay, will you feed her a bottle?
Yeah, that's what I would do.
You would do? That seems fun. So you won't change your diaper. You'll feed her a bottle. Will you push her in a stroller?
Yeah.
Yeah? Will you help get her dressed?
No.
No, why?
You have to do that.
I have to do that?
Yeah.
Will you put her to sleep?
Yes.
What if she cries?
Then I have to cover my ears and sleep.
Oh, what are you writing?
The same thing as you.
Oh, I love you. Yeah, good job. I love your hearts, Cree. Look at Cree's heart. That is so cute. Do you like mommies? Look at that.
Yeah.
I love you. And then I love what you did to your handle, buddy. Can I take a little bit of that idea?
Yes.
Okay. Being a mom is definitely the best thing in my entire life. I've learned a lot along the way, should I say. I always like to keep things real. You know, it's not easy, but there are some amazing rewards. I get to see this amazing human being grow up into this great kid that he is today. My advice to moms or even new moms, the first thing is, you know, there are gonna be days where you don't necessarily complete that to-do list. And guess what? That is okay. Not only that, it takes a village to raise a child. So don't be afraid to ask for help. I know when I first had my son Cree, it's like, oh, I want to
ask you how you did mine.
Oh, it's okay. When I first had my son Cree, I wanted to do everything. This is like my pride and my joy, my reward, and I wanted to do everything, but it's okay to ask for help, whether that's, help from a babysitter or help from your parents. I felt guilty at times when I, went back to work or even just giving myself me time, but you really need that. Someone once told me, how can the goose lay the egg if she doesn't take care of herself? So I think it's really important as moms to take time out for yourself and maybe take a bubble bath, go to the spa, go work out for an hour, just so you can have some of that me time. Look at that. You're like, oh, I have to do grandma's initial, which is, her name is Darlene, so what does that start with?
I can do a D.
You wanna do a D? Okay, so you can do it. Ready? There you go. Good job. Bravo, Cree. Yay!
And a little 2 hugs.
And 2 hearts for Grandma. Awesome. All you have to do is just let this dry. You can't put it in the dishwasher, but you can hand wash these. So Cree, he shared with you guys what makes me the best mom ever, which is taking you places, right? My mom, she made me out of a dreamer. She believed in me, therefore I believed in myself. So I wanna know what you guys love about your mom. What do you wanna tell everyone out there to do?
Subscribe and see you next week.
Yeah! Here, Cree, let's just say bye together. Ready? Wave your hands, ready?
Bye.